Karen tried cutting off a semi-truck, but the trucker wasn't having it. What happened next was unbelievable. Moments later, she darted onto a side road just to get ahead of the semi. She began brake checking over and over, eventually stopping dead in the middle of the highway. The trucker blasted the horn non-stop. Traffic piled up and other drivers had to maneuver around them. The Karen jumped out yelling nonsense, throwing up middle fingers again and again. After a while, she finally drove forward, but every time the semi attempted a lane change, she swerved back in front to block it. The harassment dragged on until the truck driver finally called the police.